Hello and welcome to my book review of The Compound Effect by Darren Hardy. Are you tired of striving for big, immediate results and coming up short? This book teaches you how small, consistent actions can lead to significant, long-term success. The compound effect explores the idea that the choices we make and habits we form on a daily basis have a compounding effect on our lives. Hardy argues that it is the small, consistent actions we take that ultimately lead to significant results. He uses the metaphor of a snowball rolling down a hill, gathering momentum and size as it goes, to illustrate this concept. The book begins by introducing the concept of the compound effect and explaining how it works. It then goes on to discuss how successful people are intentional about their actions and make choices based on their goals. The book also emphasizes the importance of taking responsibility for our lives and the results we achieve. The Compound Effect is a motivating and inspiring read that offers valuable insights into the power of small, consistent actions. Hardy's writing is engaging and his use of the snowball metaphor is a powerful way to illustrate the concept of the compound effect. However, some readers may find the book a bit repetitive at times, as the same examples are used throughout the book to illustrate different points. Overall, I would highly recommend The Compound Effect to anyone looking to make positive changes in their life and achieve their goals. I give this book a 4 out of 5 stars. Thank you for joining me for this book review. I hope you found it helpful. Until next time, happy reading. We would love to hear your feedback. Please subscribe, like, share our video review and please don't forget to leave a comment. Thank you.